Good evening, everybody, and welcome to this evening's weather update. So, Winter Storm Hudson has been named by the Weather Channel, and it's going to bring very heavy snow and possibly blizzard conditions to the Rockies and the Northern Plains over the next few days. So, timing out Winter Storm Hudson, we're seeing we're seeing heavy rain across much of California, with heavy snow into much of Nevada, and going into the overnight tonight. The intense low pressure is going to swing across the Sierra Nevada, bringing intense snow to the Sierra Nevada, northern Nevada, much of Utah and Colorado overnight. Going into tomorrow morning, the snow is going to slowly move across the Four Corners, Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, Colorado by tomorrow evening. And then the blizzard, or we could start to see a blizzard materialize Monday afternoon across portions of Nebraska, the Dakota, or South Dakota, and Minnesota. And this is going to move east overnight Monday. And into Tuesday, we're going to be seeing the blizzard impact the eastern South Dakota and central Minnesota, impacting the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, northern Wisconsin, central northern Minnesota by Tuesday, before impacting areas of southeastern Canada Wednesday. So, looking at the snowfall accumulations, the GFS model across the Sierra Nevada, we can expect an additional 3 to 4 feet of snow across the range. Across northern Nevada, Utah, the Mogollon Rim of Arizona, northern New Mexico, uh, central southern Wyoming, western Colorado. We can expect anywhere from 6 to 24 inches of snow, with more snow the higher your elevation gets. And then across the northern plains, we could see as much as 2 to 6 inches on the edges of the blizzard, and where the blizzard moves through the center part of the snow, we could be seeing anywhere from 12 to even 24 inches. As of right now, looks like the swath of heaviest snow is extending from western Nebraska through central South Dakota, through south central Minnesota, and in northern Wisconsin. Looking at snowfall totals from the European model, the European model is giving a little bit more snow than the GFS model, putting as much as a foot to even areas of 2.5 feet of snow across parts of Nebraska, South Dakota, Minnesota, northwest Iowa, even western Wisconsin, and across the mountainous areas of the Great Basin. But this is also going to bring a likely severe weather outbreak Monday and Tuesday across the South. We got an enhanced risk of severe weather on Monday across the orange shaded area in northeast Texas, southeast Oklahoma, much of Arkansas, northwest Louisiana, a slight risk in the yellow and a marginal risk in the dark green, with a 30% chance of severe weather within a 25-mile radius in the red area, a 15% chance in the yellow area, 5% chance in the brown area, with a 10% chance of seeing significant severe weather within 25 miles of a location in this black hatched area. This is for EF2 tornadoes or stronger, winds of 70 miles per hour or stronger, or hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger. So I'm kind of worried about Monday, so make sure you prepare if you live in these areas. And going into Tuesday of next week, we have a slight risk of severe weather across much of Mississippi, Alabama, southeast Louisiana, the western Florida Panhandle, northwestern Georgia, and southern Tennessee. So you guys are also going to be seeing possibly a severe weather outbreak on Tuesday across the Mid-South. Looking at our dew points on Monday afternoon, we're going to have widespread dew points in the 60s across much of the South. This is going to continue into Tuesday afternoon across the Mid-South, more than ample fuel for severe storms. And looking at the Cape, we're going to have about 1,000 to 1,500 joules per kilogram across much of the South Monday afternoon and Tuesday afternoon from across Tennessee, Mississippi, Louisiana, 1 to 2,000 joules of Cape. So this is going to be, I'm going to be really watching the severe weather threat. Thanks for watching this evening's weather update and have a wonderful evening, my friends.